Hello guys, have a good time. I am Beharin, and I am with you with the 4th Python language training session. In the previous session, I told about the types of data, and in this session we will examine the number operators. Well, in the previous session, I talked about the 4 main operators, and now I want to teach you a number of other operators that are very useful. Now, I create a folder and name it Python. After that, I open the Visual Studio Code software. And I can open the folder in 3 ways. The first way is from the File section, and we click on Open in the folder, and the second way the method is through the Explorer section, where you can click on Open in the folder and select the desired folder. And the third method is by dragging the folder into the software. Well, you remember the 4 operators of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division from the previous session. In this session, you will learn 3 more operators. The first one is to raise a number to the power. The second one is to get the remainder, and the third one is to get the remainder, and the third one is to get the whole number of 1. It is divided. Two stars are used to increase the power. The first number is the main number, and the second number is our power. And you can see the result by writing this code. To get the remainder, the percentage sign is used, and you can see the result by writing this code. To get the correct part of a division, 2 slashes are used, and you can see the result by writing this code. Okay, we will finish this session, and in the next session, I will teach you about variable. Until the next meeting, I hope you have a good day.